Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's variety spotlight, I'm going to show you a fun little plant called the Cucamelon. Other names for this plant is the mouse melon and the Mexican sour gherkin. So it is a type of cucumber, originates in Mexico and Central America. As you can see, it is very prolific and vining. This is 4 plants, so I planted 2 in here. That's 1 in each of those spots in that cinder block, and then another 2 right here. And my plan was to cover this little trellis, and it sure enough definitely worked. Look at that. It's covered this whole trellis, and this is our holy basil plant up here, and look at that. It's climbed all over that as well. So that is something to keep in mind. This will take over an entire space if you let it. It'll just grow pretty wild like this. But you can use it to your advantage. I wanted to use it as kind of a screen to block this air conditioning unit, and it's done just that. Now let's take a closer look at these cucamelons because they are pretty cool. Alright, so look at that. A neat feature. They basically look like little baby watermelons. Isn't that cool? And this plant is just loaded with them. They're kind of hidden, but there you go. So that's when they're real young. They start real tiny like that, and it still has the yellow flower attached to that one. And then when they become more mature and ripe, they plump up like this and look like little watermelons. They taste great. They taste like a cucumber with a hint of lemon or lime. They have a little bit of a citrus zest to them, which is real nice. But as you can see, very productive with just these 4 plants. And you see the cucamelons just kind of hang there. This is perfect for the kids' garden. Kids can just walk by and pluck them off. I guess if anything could be considered cute in the garden, it would be the cucamelon. So that's another cool little feature of them, is they're just cute and whimsical. Fun to have in the garden. Oh, let's see how it tastes. We'll cut one open so we can look inside too. Nice fat one. I'll take that one. I think the best way to eat these is straight off the vine. Has a nice little refreshing zing to them. But you can also pickle them. You can chop them up, use them in salads. You could use them as a garnish for a cocktail. Any way that you would use cucumbers, very similar. So here's your little taste test. Crunchy. Has quite a lot of seeds in it, but they're all very soft like a cucumber. And then has a nice little citrus hint to it. Yeah, it tastes like cucumber and lemon. It's a great flavor. So there you go. That's a cucamelon. That's a fun one. Fun one to have in the garden. So pick up some seeds. I got mine from the MI gardener, Luke. Thank you very much. And hope they grow well for you in your area, in your garden. Give them a try. And that's it for today. Thanks so much, guys. Catch you on the next one.